You can use Secure Folder in order to hide photos and videos on this phone. In order to set up the Secure Folder, we need to go to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, and then over here go to More Security Settings, and then here we have Secure Folder. Press Continue twice, wait for the Secure Folder to be created. Next, we need to set up the password for our Secure Folder. I'm just gonna choose a simple PIN code, press Continue, and then once again enter the password that you wish to use and continue. You can also use Samsung account to reset the password in case you forget it, and then let's go next. Over here we have our secure folder with the gallery, which will be useful just in a moment. The secure folder can be found by default in the app drawer once you set it up, but now in order to hide photos and videos, we can go to the gallery, and we can, for example, press and hold the finger on the photo that you wish to hide. So select the photo, and of course you can select multiple different things. Tap on More in the bottom right corner and choose Move to Secure Folder. And after that, we should be able to transfer those files to that secure folder. Now we can go to our secure folder, and we can open the gallery, and here is our stuff. If you want to take out of the secure folder, then you do the same thing. Just select everything that you want to remove from the secure folder, and here we have Move Out of Secure Folder. There's also a small tip for you for the secure folder. We can tap on these three dots on the right side, go to Settings, choose Auto Lock, and switch to each time I exit an app. So now if I try to open secure folder, every time I will need to enter the password, or I will have to use biometrics. As you can see over here, this time I could use fingerprint. And that is all. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.